Hi, my name is Lars Göran Östergren from Stockholm, Sweden. I considered here to go to this conference, even if the trip is rather long, to go from Stockholm to Niagara Falls. The cost to go here far extend the cost of the course itself. But I must say it's worth it, and I recommend everyone who consider to change their life regarding their health to take this course. You have a lot of experts and are very helpful, and whatever issue you have, it will be sorted out. What I learned from coming here, I must say, I learned to meet a lot of people and all the experience they have gone through in the real life, and I really also learn how to use the equipment and how to improve every issue what I can come up to. So I feel comfortable with what I learned.